Many things have changed over the last 10 years, and I am very excited about sharing what I've learned with you. The science of human motivation and behavior, as well as the area of neuroscience, have seen rapid and remarkable expansion. Our understanding of how the brain and mind influences our behavior continues to increase at a breathtaking pace. Unfortunately, this rate of change is making it harder for us to adapt. Many people feel their sanity, health, and overall well-being is slipping away. That reality, the challenge we all face, has been the impetus and central focus of my work over the last decade. In fact, there is one question I've been seeking to answer. How can I help those that desire better health, happiness, and well-being make sense of it all? How can we transform to a more optimal way of living that supports radiant health and vibrant energy when every day it seems like we are all falling further behind in our weight, our health, our relationships, and our zest for life? Well, the good news is that it's actually all there, hidden in our habits, the software that determines almost everything. Beyond scientific advances, I've had an extraordinary opportunity to help tens of thousands of people face that reality. I've watched the people tackle their challenges in their own lives, and I've been able to fully comprehend the subject I've written so much about. The habits of health are the answer. They can change everything.